In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Coinbase Wallet to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wallets up here inside your dashboard, and then you want to go to Add Wallet/Exchange, and from here you want to look for Coinbase. And you want to select your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so it's over here. You simply want to click on it, and then you have a bunch of different options. The easiest one is to just set up the auto sync. So click on auto sync, and here first you'll have to select your blockchain. So for example, if you had some activity, some trading, something like that on, for example, the Ethereum blockchain, you want to select the Ethereum chain, and then you want to go inside your Coinbase wallet, wherever you have it, like on your phone or whatever you basically are using it. And then from there, you will need the receiving address for this example, Ethereum, or of course, whatever blockchain you were using. So for example, let's say it was Ethereum, you have to basically paste in your address or key over here. And then let's also say you had, for example, Solana, you can paste that in as well. And what's going to happen here, it's going to allow you to basically import that in. Okay. So just like this, you want to basically paste in the address. I'm going to do one for Solana, just an example over here. And then I'm going to click on import, and it's going to basically start importing. And as you can see here, I already have this imported in here, but if I didn't, it would just allow me to do that. It would go inside my wallets over here like that, and it would tell me all the transactions and that it's synced. So that's how to basically connect it or add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.